Ooh, girl, I look crazy as hell. Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. It is your girl, King Lex. Are you blessed and bougie? Because I know I am. Oh, period. Yeah. It is literally the booty crack of dawn right now. It is 6:30. The sun isn't out. It's actually very nasty outside. Again, she's raining, she's pouring, the old man is snoring. I literally had to find a burst of energy to make this video but I told y'all I'm gonna give y'all the videos and that's what I'm gonna do. I did my eyebrows and then I got tired. I didn't feel like doing anything else. That's what this situation is. I don't have anything else on my face. So yeah, today I'm gonna be showing you everything I use to film my videos, my lighting, my camera, my editing software. I'm gonna be showing you the whole shebang. But before we get into that, you already know, if it's your first time seeing my face and you're not a part of the family, I'm gonna need you to go ahead and click that subscribe button right here. Get this video a cute little thumbs up. And turn on that post notification bell if you're ready for me to get into it. Hey. Fun fact about right now, I don't have my contacts in. So right now, I just look like this white blob on the camera. And the camera's right here, like arm's length, but I'm that blind. I need to put my glasses on. Woo! She said, a whole new world. I don't know the rest of the song, but I don't have them on because I didn't get enough sleep. And yeah, I'm kind of dying right now. It's a contact thing. If you wear contacts, you know the drill. If you don't get enough sleep and you pop them bad boys in, you are asking for trouble, especially with the solution that I use. I'm about to put these charcoal hydrogel under masks under my eyes by e.l.f. I love these. Sir, what? Okay, it's too early. You're moving around too early. I'm about to put these on right here. I love these. They're very inexpensive. I think they were like $8. Ooh, now I got some warmth to my skin. Because at first, I was just looking dead and gross. Sometimes I get so pale, especially in the wintertime. I can't stand it. They come in this package. Ooh, I be feeling rich. I want the Chanel ones. I mean, I can't afford them, but I really want the Chanel ones. I be feeling rich or something with Chanel under my eyes, you know? I'm the Birkin bae, keep my baby hairs laid, Fendi framed Hermes mermaid. I'm about to put these under my eyes while I talk to y'all. They kind of like reduce puffiness and brighten my eyes up a little bit because I probably look like a zombie right now. Hold on, get in your place. Ooh. I don't know why I'm sniffing them. They don't ever have no smell. I use these like at least once a month. People are really asleep on e.l.f. e.l.f. has some quality products. Oh my God, that feels so good. It's like Christmas. They're never even, but that's okay. God, this feels so good. We're gonna just do a quick little run through here. So for my camera, I use the Canon G7X Mark 2. That is what I'm using right now. All the real ones, you know, my camera broke a couple weeks ago. See, she's sliding off already. And I had to get a new one. I have mixed emotions about this camera. I got my broken one in here. I'm gonna show it to you. So this is what it looks like. Pretty much, literally, this is exactly, oh my God. This is exactly what it looks like, the one I'm using right now. And here's the flip screen. So when you put it on, it flips up like this so you can see yourself. Like right now I can see myself. The reason why it broke was this little strip right here. This strip feeds into the camera because this is obviously a screen and this is the camera part and they feed into each other. If that strip breaks and the screws come loose, then you have to get a new camera, or you can send it in and it costs $400 to get it fixed. Well, nobody doing that. Like I said, very mixed emotions. A good camera, very good for vlogging. I will say that. I now advise people to use extreme caution. Don't be careless with it. Don't throw it around. Not that I was, but I don't have $400 to get it replaced. This camera came out in like 2018, 2019. When I first bought it, they retail for like about $500, $525. Probably on Amazon you can get it cheaper. I got mine from Best Buy and I will link it down below. They have a Mark III now and they also have like a regular Mark I. I wanted to try the Mark III, but ooh, she was like $700. I personally do not understand why they cost so much. I get it, it's a camera, but that's literally all I can do, take pictures and record things. It was trying to pay me back, hit me in the titty. Sit your raggedy butt down, hell. For $600-700, it's a camera. You can't text on it, you can't call nobody. Honestly, the iPhone cameras are really good too. With this though, the video quality, there are different effects, like you can have smoothing effects, different lighting effects, but again, so can iPhone camera. This camera specifically is like one of the highest rated cameras for vloggers, so that's why I chose a couple of my favorite YouTubers. They use this camera. It was the one that was in my tax bracket. It wasn't even really, but I got my protein shake. You know I'm doing healthy. Also, the battery life is really short. It's not really short, it's, how do I describe it? If you film for like 15 minutes, you're gonna probably need to switch the battery out or it's gonna get low. It comes with a battery like this. I actually have 3 of these. This is the battery itself and this is the charger. I have 3 of these because I've had 3 cameras. One from like a long time ago, way before I was into YouTube. This one right here and this broken one, and they all come with this. And the memory card is sold separately. I would advise getting like 4 memory cards. If you film a lot, I would advise that because I use the same one, and let me tell you, constantly deleting things as soon as I get them uploaded is annoying because now I have nothing on my camera. So I advise getting a couple of memory cards because it's well worth it. If you are just starting out and you're really heavy into videos, you're really heavy into vlogging, I would recommend this camera. I would say like a 7 out of 10 for recommendations. All right, for this next part, I'm gonna have to put my glasses on literally because I cannot see. Y'all laugh at me all y'all want. Oh girl, I look crazy as hell. Oh God, oh my God. Sit your suck. Okay. So for my ring light, I use NEEWER ring light. Let me open it up for you. I mean, it's right there. I have it set up, so it's not in here, but I'm still gonna show y'all like how it comes. I have an interesting story about my ring light too. You already know, because something stay happening to me. So it comes with the white panels, but it also comes with the orange. I don't use the orange because why would I need that? I guess if you're into like photography, there's some type of mystical purpose for it. I don't know. I'm not trying to look orange though. I don't have time for that. I'm already yellow. It's supposed to have different little nuts and bolts and stuff. Like I said, there's a funny story to it, so let me tell it to you. Let me get the ring light first. I am not using a ring light right now because I'm using natural light, which is why I'm obsessed with this room. I get all the natural light. It's not even sunny and there's natural light just flowing in this room. This is the stand right here, very ghetto. I think this is the 18-inch. That is duct tape holding her up. Told y'all, okay, look, not now. And here's the back of it, right here. All right, let me give y'all the tea on my stand. I had one back in 2018 or 2017, and my little cute little dog, Rowdy, he was in one of his moods and he felt like it was necessary to start doing his little running routine that he does. Oh y'all, there you go. What the? Rowdy. He ran slam into it and it broke. So I got this new one. In the midst of me moving, I somehow managed to keep the old stand and the new light. That is what happened. So they don't match. There's nothing for this right here, the base of the light itself. It doesn't fit this stand right here. So I have to hold it up with duct tape. And look, you gotta get it how you live. The ring light that I really want is like $180 on Amazon. And it has all these interesting, cool features. Right now, when I film mukbangs or y'all see me like sitting in my kitchen or things like that, I use this ring light. There's nowhere for the camera to sit. So I have to have a completely separate stand. It is so ghetto, and I'm gonna get that stand in a minute. But that is how I make things work. And that's all that I can do for right now. I am a small YouTuber. These are a few little hacks, a few little things I'm trying to share with you guys, because if you don't have the top of the top or the best of the best, it's okay. As long as you can get it done, one day when you can buy whatever you want, it's gonna be all good. But for right now, that is what I got. I'm gonna save up to get the other one that I really want, unless somebody wanna buy it for me. Y'all not gonna do that because y'all don't care about me. Y'all can't even get me to 500 subscribers. As far as the ring light, the lighting itself is decent. I just don't like the flimsiness of the stand. The stand is very finicky. I didn't choose this, I didn't buy this. It was given to me. This one is just not sturdy. You can't put your foot on it, the whole thing will collapse. Who has time for that? I wish this was eggs and bacon and waffles. It'll do. Before I get into the stand and the tripod that I use, let me remove these from my eyes. I think they're only supposed to be on for 15 minutes. Am I charcoal infused hydrogel now? Is that my life? Ooh, I feel young, I feel rejuvenated. I feel like a hot girl in my 20s. Oh wait, I am purr. I feel a little better. I just feel like awake now, you know what I mean? The world is my oyster. I can't see, I'm blind as hell. Let me get into my tripod that I use when I film other places, not right here. They're two separate tripods. So this is my camera stand that I use when I film in the kitchen, when I'm filming videos. I think this is the 5-foot tall one. It goes down and then it goes down. It goes up to 5 feet, I wanna say. And all you have to do is lock it. And it pretty much stays wherever you want it to go. And the base of it right here is so you can screw the camera on the top. See, it has the same type of thing. All you have to do is sit it down and screw right on the top. Very efficient and very cost friendly. I wanna say this was like $10. This was my mom, she gave it to me. Thanks, Mom. Also, a cool feature that comes with this is it has a clicker so that you can take your pictures and stuff on it or start your videos for iOS and for Android. Obviously, I use the iPhone one. The battery actually died on me the other day. I need to replace it. It is a 6-month lifespan and I take a lot of pictures. I be just paparazzi. Period. I need to go to Walmart and I need to grab me another one of these. Y'all know I take 90% of my pictures. I just started letting somebody else take pictures of me because I don't like it. I know me, I know my angles, I know what works for me. That's besides the point. Anyways, my phone is always on this. And I have this little nifty device here. You can screw right into the top. It's, you know, okay. I'm getting a little tired, broken promises, looking at your face, seeing different numbers to numbers. Play it, please. No, I'm not the one. Say it again, say it again. Oh. Let me shut up. It is early, and I know people upstairs like, what is this girl down there doing? This is how I pretty much take my pictures. Straight like this. You can adjust the back of this to the width of your phone, and this is how I take pictures. I just stand it somewhere, and bada bing, bada boom. This stand is also not very sturdy. These are cheap solutions. Before y'all come for me, these are cheap and cost-friendly solutions to YouTubing, taking pictures, simply because I cannot afford to buy the kind of equipment I truly want and deserve. But these few things will do for right now, so I'm not gonna complain. They get the job done. Could they be better? Yes, but in time. It's all a game of patience. While we're on stands, I'm gonna show y'all my tripod. This is the best way I can show it to y'all. I'm gonna look in the mirror here. Hey girl. Ew, flip it down so I can see myself. Flip it open, flip it closed. Flip it open, flip it closed. I just got this from Best Buy. Move down, can't have y'all seeing all my business. It's one of the flexible ones, like you can do things like this. I like to wrap it around things sometimes, but I call it the octopus tripod. It's really small. It's not even as long as my elbow to my wrist. I wanna say she was like $15. I kind of went on like a Best Buy shopping spree when I first started really filming. When I got the camera, and I was like, you know what, I need this. That grand total was almost $1,000. And this is the cheaper option. Keep that in mind, this is the cheaper option. Now, when it comes to background, I try to keep a very clean background. Is that a taxi? Who still drives in taxis anymore? It's all about the Ubers, baby. It's all about the Benjamins, baby. But anyway, I was gonna start doing, you know how some people have the pink, the neutrals, the browns background, but from where my vanity is and where I film, I can't really have anything drop behind me because my wall is all the way back there. I did buy this roll of paper that I had intended on using as background paper. I still could use it for pictures and things like that. I bought this when I was living at my mom's house because the way my room is set up, I kind of need something to have a blank background because the setup isn't as open. She's all crumbled up now. Oh, sorry girl. But still could be used for pictures. I really want to hit somebody with this. Hey, alright. For my editing for my videos, I use iMovie, and I will put a little description of it right here. iMovie, I think, is very easy, user-friendly, beginner-friendly to use. I actually filmed my very first YouTube video on my MacBook. I didn't know anything back then. Poor thing, she was just learning. For those of y'all who don't know, I'm King Lex. I am starting my YouTube channel, finally. Ew, oh my god, the embarrassment. The growth, not the embarrassment, the growth. It was only like a 3-4 minute video. It was just my little introduction. I was like, hi y'all, I'm King Lex. iMovie is free. It comes on the MacBooks. I mean, it might as well. The computer is up like $1,500. You better give me something for free. I know a lot of people use Final Cut Pro. Again, I'm not spending $200-300 on editing software when I edit very good on iMovie. There are also other things you can incorporate. You can add different GIFs or memes memes or videos to spice your videos up. But for right now, iMovie, she will do just fine. And this video wasn't meant to be super long. I just wanted to shed some information, some light on the things that I do use. People have asked me multiple times about my camera, my lighting, things like that. And yeah, that's just a little piece of the puzzle here. I do plan on expanding my equipment. That is actually on my vision board. By the end of the year, I want like a whole studio. This is just like my tripod, my camera, and it's on my vanity. This is where I do my makeup. This isn't really dedicated to strictly filming, but by the end of the year, I want a whole studio set up. Different lighting. Lighting is everything. Don't ever let nobody tell you differently. If you don't take anything else away from this video, if you don't go buy any of the equipment or listen to any of the tips I share with you, lighting is everything. Makes a difference. I know I'm nowhere near where I want to be. Y'all may laugh or joke on my ring light, but that's fine. It gets the job done. It gives you quality. She gives you quality videos. My music videos I film all with this equipment right here. All with this little bit of equipment that I have. I give you the bomb content. I deliver. I deliver her. I need to start getting ready for work because I need my coin. Hope you guys thoroughly enjoyed my little behind the scenes snippets of the products I use, etc, etc, etc. As always, you better stay blessed, beautiful, and bougie. Have a wonderful weekend, and I will see you guys at the next video. Peace. Oh, I just wanted to make it known that I put out 3 videos this week, and if you hating on me and you don't like that, I'm so sorry. Go cry to your mama. Your girl did 3 videos this week. 3. And that's all I gotta say about that. Purr.